We're standing here at a Prospect Point project. This is one of our favorite details in the home. We just took you through the outdoor entertaining area, which is going to be great, you know, to entertain, especially in the fall and spring. In the winter, when you want to be here by around the fireplace, this would be an amazing detail. And maybe in the summer, as you're trying to stay in air-conditioned space, you may not have the fireplace going. But again, you have the ambiance here, the design. So we're looking at this fireplace wall here, and there was actually a lot of thought and time that went into this entire design. In fact, after installation, you'll see here we worked with Infinity Fireplace. This is going to be the base of our modern looking fireplace. You can see it's open. You know, it's a three-sided fireplace, open on three sides. It's going to give this really nice modern feel and design and aesthetic. Although there's one detail you'll notice that we're going to be changing. And what that is, you can see here at the base. So this is our base platform. And you can see here that it's just square base down to the floor. Well, we have this toe kick here that's going to run on either side. So either side we have the toe kick. We're actually going to modify the base here. So this is going to come back just like the toe kick would. So we had this clean toe kick all the way across. Here's why. This entire fireplace wall is going to be wrapped in slab, countertop slab material. So because of that, our toe kick's going to be slab. So we're going to have this diving in. We're going to wrap the face. Our shelf here will be in slab. We'll have a base cabinet here with some floating shelves up above it. And the entire wall, so the face from the ceiling, top of ceiling all the way down to here to this lip, this will all be full slab, all book matched. And then we'll return that here. You can see we have a little termination point. So that slab material can turn into here. Now, ideally, we're dealing with an 8 mm, 1 cm. We're still working on the final scope, but we do have a good idea of what this will be, and it's a thin slab, but it's gonna look incredible as this is all wrapped in slab. And again, we'll have our fireplace here. You can see that three-sided area, and we'll have the slab material coming up just to the base of that. So it's really important to understand too, some of the slab material that you're selecting, proximity to the fireplace. This is also important as you're looking at the electronics, you know, or the television. So understanding is that heat, you know, how that impacts, you know, we're always going to do a niche back here to protect some of the equipment there and make sure that we have adequate space for that ventilation and the heat that may come through. And the other thing that's really important, you'll see here, that when you walk into a home, since that's going to be the entrance, we don't want to have the gas key because this is a gas fireplace. In Arizona, we can't have wood burning fireplaces per code. We're trying to control the pollution, air quality here in Phoenix. It's a big city. You know, right now it's summertime, so we get the monsoons and we get these massive dust storms coming in. So we don't want to add to it by having, you know, fireplaces that, you know, emit, you know, wood burning particles into the air. We want to keep the air clean here. So because for that reason, everything is gas or electric. And for that reason that we have the gas key here hidden so that we'll have that actually in the base cabinet so you don't see it. But again, this amazing slab wall. So you're almost 20 feet slab. We've done this previously. Some of you that followed us on our Arcadia Lights project, we had that 18-foot ceiling all wrapped in slab. You're going to see something very similar here. Keeping in mind though, with Arcadia Lights, and this goes back to the thickness I was mentioning here, because of that exact product we picked at our Arcadia Lights project, that was 2 cm. It was super thick. So it actually took angle iron and a lot of structural support to hang that because of the weight. This one, fortunately, we're going to be dealing with a product that's about half the thickness, so it's about half the weight. It's going to be a lot easier to install and get everything book matched nice and clean on this finish. So thanks for tuning in to our video here at Prospect Point on this fireplace. Again, you can go see our Arcadia Lights project, inspiration on what this will look like, but we'll have another video as we get to install.